How to level up fast in Fortnite Chapter 5. Unlocking Battle Pass tiers. Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 1 offers a Battle Pass with enticing cosmetics. Learn how to level up fast to unlock all tiers quickly. Daily logins and match quests. Gain small XP from daily logins and playing regularly. Opt for match quests to earn a quick 5k XP during a game. XP boosting creative maps. Community-made creative maps provide a fun way to level up. Try codes like 99 bots solo, the pit free for all, 707 level death run, and Zombieland for enhanced XP. Complete weekly and special quests. Don't overlook daily and weekly quests. Weekly quests offer 25-50k times P each, propelling you towards level 100. Special quests, like Survivor medals, provide bonus XP. Fortnite milestone goals. Explore milestone goals in the Quests tab. These goals, related to normal gameplay, offer 2k XP each, with an additional 30k for every 3 milestones. Buy Battle Pass levels, if needed. Consider buying Battle Pass levels with V-Bucks as a last resort. While costly, it provides a quick boost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.